Hello and welcome to our Python tutorial. Today we will be learning about conditional statements. First, let's discuss the basics of conditional statements. These are decision-making statements using specific conditions to execute a block of code. We will start by using a simple example with if statement. In Python, an if statement is used to determine whether a given condition is true or false. If the condition is true, the code block within the if statement will be executed. Here's an example. Now, we'll introduce the else statement. This can be used along with the if statement to execute an alternative code block when the initial condition is false. Here's an example with both if and else statements. We can also add more conditions using a if-else if statement. It allows you to have multiple conditions and execute the block of code when the first true condition is encountered. Here's an example using if, and else statements. In Python, logical operators like and, or, and not can be used to combine conditions in if statements. Let's take a look at a brief explanation of each. Let's see an example combining logical operators and conditional statements. Now that you have learned about conditional statements and logical operators in Python, you can write cleaner and more efficient code by making informed decisions. Keep practicing and happy coding!